Guys, so we're done na guys sa massage. Kanindot sa feeling. Super fresh. And mag-ilis ako, manginumig tea. So, super happy. Grabe. Lahi sad siya, dry massage. Wherein, mga points just sa mong body, no? For boosting immune system. So, right now, nara ko sipon. And I'm with my husband pala. Both of us took the acupressure massage. Hi pa. Ayaw, sige, ano de, papa? Hi, say hi. But that ko, so we're going to change and we'll be back. Ano ka dong? Gigutom na ka? Nakalaig na. So guys, meron sa Larshan and then taga Cebu Maker, first time ini nga Larshan, no? So, among kanon is so and money and may i-order nga ano kana so it's here na guys.